Bravery from a distance. Adam and Alan were very good friends. Being young Stegosaurus dinosaurs, they were both big, had spiky backs, and were very strong, but were very different. While Adam was brave and was always prepared for any situation or any danger, Alan was timid and liked avoiding tricky situations. One morning, both dinosaurs left their cave to hunt for prey. They came across a ferocious dinosaur, ready to attack them. Alan was frightened, while Adam prepared to fight. Alan stepped behind his friend. Standing behind his friend, he started instructing Adam on how to attack and defend. Irritated, Adam moved aside and let Alan face the attacker. Petrified, Alan ran away. Adam defended himself well and escaped the attacker. Once back home, he said to Alan, "It is easy to be brave from some distance. Real bravery is seen when you face danger." Quality is better than quantity. Alice and Eva were two neighbors. Being herbivores, they had similar diets, feasting on plants and other vegetation. But they couldn't be more different in every other way. While Alice was a big and tall Rhoetosaurus, Eva was a very small Bagaceratops dinosaur. One morning, as Alice and Eva left their caves in search for food, they came across a line of trees laden with juicy fruits. They noticed that most of the fruits had already fallen on the ground and only a few were still on the tree. Excited, Eva started collecting all the fruits from the ground, while Alice picked and chose selected ones from the trees. Eva smirked. "I got so many, and you have a handful. What are you doing?" Alice smiled and said, "Your fruits fell. They are rotten already. Mine are still fresh, though few. Quality is always better than quantity." Pick your friends wisely. Charlie and Nancy were two Holticosaurus dinosaurs. Though living in the same house, yet the siblings were very different. One day their mother said, "Children, invite all your friends and throw a party in the cave." Excitedly, the siblings informed all their friends. While Charlie had a lot of dinosaur friends, Nancy had just a few. Charlie made a lot of fun of Nancy for not having so many friends as he, but she never responded. On the day of the party, all their friends came over, but Charlie's friends made faces at everything in the cave. From the food to the furniture, they started making fun of Charlie and soon left. Nancy rushed to her brother's side and said, "We often forgot of the few true friends in the hope of plenty. Remember, a true handful is better than a parade of frauds. Always pick wisely." Rain Dance Party. It had been raining continuously for days in Dinoville. Every dinosaur family in the neighborhood was fed up of it. They were trapped in their caves and the children suffered the most. They didn't want to get wet in the rain, but wanted their playtime back too. After 11 days of non-stop rain, Granny Dino had enough. She stepped out of her cave into the rain and began dancing. Immediately she was drenched, but enjoyed the rain so much that she couldn't stop dancing. Peeping from their windows were little dinos, amazed at how much fun Granny seemed to have. Quickly they ran into the rain and joined Granny, amused and delighted at how wonderful the rain felt on their hard, scaly bodies. The children enjoyed it immensely. Soon all dinosaurs of Dinoville joined in the fun. and a sad rainy day turned into a fun rain dance party.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.